Zoe's trying to figure out how she can get close to the woodpecker on the windowsill. See if I can show you without disturbing him. There, my tripod's in the way. And that bird's been there for a good 10 minutes, eating some peanuts. And Zoe is trying to get over there. She was on the curtain. I don't know what it is about these bigger woodpeckers that they just love these big birds. And there they are watching the birds. Zoe wants over there bad. Maybe I should clear the table off. Oh, and we got Rocky hopping on the curtain rod or lampshade. They went over there bad. I think I'm going to clean the rocks off the table and see if they land over there. We'll give it a shot. They think they own the house. Oh yeah. Curtain rod, lampshade. They got it made. Why are my birds on the curtain rod? Yeah, here's why. They want to watch the woodpeckers. I guess I don't blame them. They're eating peanuts out there. And no, you two don't get to go out there with them. Zoe.